What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be reviewing the Space Cowboy cannabis inhaler. So let's dive right into the video. So what we're gonna do is gonna see how the website is, and after that we're gonna go and visit the reviews of the different people online on different sort of forums like Quora or Reddit, or even to go to the website like Trustpilot to see that if the website and the stuff is legit or not. So what they are selling is legitimate and they are selling it to more than many customers. So here how you can make a contact is just scroll down the website, and if you are interested just name, email and a message, and then they will text you on the email address. If you want to order online, just go to the order online option. Here you will be redirected to the shop page. So what you're gonna do is gonna go and see their product. So here you guys can see that Space Cowboy Inhaler time to blast. What they are offering is rocket fast activation time, like 30 seconds. Discreet and orderless use anywhere, convenient for recreational and medical use. Controlled dosage for a predictable experience, contains federally legal THC. Okay, each inhaler contains 100-meter dose. So these are some statics that you might be interested in. Two new flavors for a smooth blaster of Gamma Grape, Stellar Strawberry, temporarily out of stock but it's Banana Blast Off, Galaxy Kavva, Meteor Melon, and Orange Orbit, and the last one is Moon Mint. So the total price is $50 for each inhaler. So let's read about different sort of reviews. When I go to the Reddit, the people saying that, has anyone tried the Kavva THC inhaler? So the person said that I ordered one and it will be here tomorrow. So his review is, it wasn't bad, it would give you a buzz, but the aftertaste blows. So I just got in and I took 5 puffs to really get a buzz. It's not bad at all, it's not overbearing, it's nice and relaxing feeling. So this person is asking that, is it Delta or Realtor THC? Their site doesn't say all their other products, especially Delta THC, but the inhaler just said that THC. Now, is it legal in states without medical if it's actually THC? It says Delta 9, but it's hemp derived, but Delta 9 is Delta 9. So if I scroll down, so people saying that, what flavor, how's the taste, the Kavva grape. So the people are saying that it's pretty good and it's not that something is scam or unethical. It's totally legitimate, and the verdict, the product is legitimate, the website is legitimate, and it actually works. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful.